Capacity Networks offers internet access to businesses of all sizes in Columbus, Ohio. So, what's the big deal? Actually, it's a pretty big deal. Because our high-speed internet is different from the business class internet offered by other major service providers. And our high-speed internet is different because it's not terrestrial. We deliver speeds up to 100 megabits per second through carrier-class wireless network that's located on rooftops. We can bring you the speed and reliability your business needs without the digging or worrying about service interruption with cables being cut, and we can do it all in a matter of days, not months like you wait for other providers. Whether you have 5 or 500 employees in your office, your staff can be online and productive in a fraction of the time of other internet service providers. Not only is our broadband faster to install, it's better than most business access because we allow you, the customer, to customize a plan that fits your business. Whether that's something as simple as a budget-minded 5x1 speed or something as robust as a 100x100 solution. Now here's the good part. We do all of this not only faster and better, but cheaper as well. You heard me right. Capacity has business internet solutions starting at just $59 a month with no contract required. And best of all, you can try Capacity Networks risk-free. We offer free standard installation and no contract options because we believe that once you try us, you'll be blown away by just how much better we are and how much better we make business internet access. Capacity Networks. Call us today.